FCF-Pay, latest and greatest. Today we're going to talk about how they went from the revenue sharing token to also now a utility token. At the end of the video, for those that are interested, we'll do some price prediction and technical analysis. Welcome back, Moneybags Rico. Let's go ahead and get this started. So we're going to start off with the FCF-Pay and how it went from a revenue sharing token to now also a utility token, and something that's also going to be offered for white labeling options. We've seen a lot of collaborations with FCF-Pay lately, one of them being Baby Doge, with 1.9 million followers on Twitter. Another one being Floki. So they're making some really big partnerships, some big collaborations. And this is something that we should not overlook. When we get to the prices, we'll see how all this is reflecting these areas that we should hold on to and the potential future that these prices can go to. Okay, so we got, what is Flame? FCF Loyalty and Membership Experience is an exclusive members only club bringing benefits, discounts, and offers to the holders of FCF tokens and the French fella NFTs. We're also going to talk about these NFTs. I think there's only like 100 of them left. And I heard talks about them bringing more utility to these NFTs. So you might want to snatch one of those up. Okay. We also have right here in phase 1, which is the phase that has been activated, launching on Friday, which was yesterday. So this is fresh off the press. Features a cashback program for FCF virtual prepaid cards. Details below. Okay, so we're going to go over the details first on phase 1, and then we'll talk about phase 2 and phase 3. Okay, so far the details for phase 1 goes as follows. Tier 1 holding $50, right, of FCF token or one French fella NFT, 0.5 cashback on new virtual cards loading fees, and 0.25% cashback on virtual card refills. Okay, so now this is where that utility comes in for just holding these and activating the Flame, which you got to connect your wallet. Maybe in the next video we can do something like that. I'll do like a tutorial wallet or something like that, so then we can set that up. If you guys need help with that, let me know down in the comments, but it's pretty simple. But 0.52% that cashback on the virtual card refills. Like I said, a revenue sharing token now becoming a utility token right before our eyes. And now for tier 2, we'll be holding $500 worth of FCF token or 10 plus French fella NFTs. This will give you and grant you 0.75% cashback on new virtual cards, loading fees, 0.5% cashback on virtual card refills. And then we'll get to phase 3, or tier 3, I should say. And I'm going to mention something. So we got tier 3 is 1% cashback on new virtual card loading fees and 0.75% cashback on virtual card refills. Somebody was just asking me the other day, with all these collaborations and all these things that FCF-Pay is doing, where's the real incentive of actually holding the token? And I mean, it's almost like the team heard this conversation or something, because here we go, another incentive for holding FCF-Pay token, the revenue sharing token, now becoming right before our eyes, a utility token as well. For holding, the more you hold, the more you're going to be rewarded on these different tiers. As we can see, it's only $50 on the first tier and $500 on the next tier and $5,000 on the last tier. And we're going to have these physical cards coming out soon. I've heard of one even having an actual diamond in there. So that's pretty cool if you ask me. Definitely going to bring some attention. So these are the tier systems that we have right now. We're also going to, let's talk about these phases really quick. So phase 2 would be released together with the FCF-Pay physical prepaid cards. So those ones that we're talking about, one actually having an actual real diamond in it. That's pretty bullish and quite a flex if we just be honest, right? Now for phase 3, we will be the introduction of further exclusive discounts and offers from FCF and our partners. So this is something to pay attention to. And also notice that it's highlighted, our partners, because we know that FCF-Pay is doing a lot of white labeling. So this is helping out not just FCF-Pay, not just the holders, but helping crypto grow altogether. We've seen the partnership with Baby Dogecoin. There will be a video coming out for them as well, because May 7th, they get their card going. And that's a big community that's rocking with us. I see them in our Telegram. I see them active on the Twitter. If you're watching this video and you're new to the channel and you found out about the channel from the last video that we did on these cards and this collaboration, leave a comment down below. There's going to be a lot more videos. Big shout out to Ben, who also retweeted the video and told the Baby Doge community to pull up. That was epic, and definitely felt the presence, that's for sure. So join the Flame program, connect your DeFi wallet, holdings, FCF or French fella NFTs to your FCF-Pay account to activate your access to Flame. So most likely we will see maybe one called Fuego, which is just flame in Spanish or whatnot. But we're gonna see this also being shared. Basically, you know, we got this highlighted right here. We're reading in between the lines. We're connecting the dots, how we say in this space, and this is something that's going to bring a lot more attention to FCF-Pay. If you guys haven't already, come over here and give them a follow at FCF-Pay. Make sure the bell notification is lit. And like we were saying just a second ago about Baby Dogecoin, this is going to be that next stage of, you know, more eyes on FCF-Pay. And a token with 1.9 million followers did not collaborate with FCF-Pay if there was not something on the table, okay? Their market capitalization is at $500 million. So connect the dots. This is where we're at right now. Big shout out to all the community members, the AAA payments, also Heather. These are people who always retweet everything going on with FCF-Pay. Just thought we'd give them a shout out right now. So we also have the other one that I want you guys to pay attention to. Like that, we stay up to date and not miss a beat. Anything going on with FCF-Pay. That is at FCF_BSC. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, really quick on these French fellas before we get to these price predictions and have some fun over there and look at the support that we're holding on to right now. So empowering NFT art collectors with hand-drawn French fellas. So NFT collections, only 2,000 of them, unique French bulldogs with different attributes and rarities. And they look pretty cool if you ask me, okay? So we got high demand and low supply will make trading attractive, maybe even more so now that they got a utility added to them. And this was not even on this. So this is all brand new. The FCF Flame, okay? So Fuego right there. NFT Battlegrounds, wager and earn with your NFTs. And we got resale royalties distributed to FCF holders. So pretty epic. I'll have this website down below as well. This is FrenchFellas.com, where it goes a little bit more into detail of what the French fellas have. I'm not sure if this is still active right here by minting. Maybe it is because all of them have not been minted out. I think there's only 100 left. So there could be still some potential gains to be made on there. Of course, not financial advice, but I'll leave these links down below where you guys can tap in, and we'll maybe do a separate video on the French fellas. But today is mainly about that FCF Flame, okay? Because this is it right here. This is the revenue sharing token. We see it right there. Revenue sharing token becoming also now a utility token, and that is monumental. Big shout out to the team and this community that continues to support these videos and help get as many new eyes on this as we can, right? So they keep erasing our lines, but we're going to be looking at the same spot. We'll focus on this right here for the main part of the video. This is that area that we talked about in the last video that we also made. Let's get that resistance arrow right there, right? And we see this really quick. Let's just add this. So that's that next channel potentially, but we have the support that we've been holding on to. This is on the daily chart. So the other day we did the video, we were right here. Now we're breaking a little bit underneath it, right? There's a small channel that we can probably stop on that 1585 and bounce back up, but this will be a good area for us to push back up on. If not, as always, I'm always going to be honest with you guys. Our next target would be 1339, but $500 million market cap token is partnered up with us. This is something that's huge. We got FCF-Pay sitting at a $15 million market cap. I do believe wholeheartedly that this is going to be a $1 billion project. There's a lot more things to come. I want you guys to make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure the bell notification is lit as these details start to roll out. So will the videos, and making sure that you guys stay up to date with everything to do with FCF-Pay. Now we can hold this support rule right here, kind of just pick back up, possibly consolidate, hit right there and come back up. We see this little channel right here. Let's get that price. So that would be at 1962. So right when we get to that 2000 mark, right? 02. So breaking past that would be bullish. And then we consolidated within this little channel and started to pick it up right now and held above this 1682. We have that potential chance to break back above that and start chasing our all-time highs that are quite honestly not that far away. Let's go ahead and zoom out. We're on the daily chart. And we can go to our recent all-time highs, which was 35. I can see that happening very soon. We got more partnerships. This flame is a really big incentive. And then we also got up here at that 67, getting close to erasing to zero. This is where people become legends, and families will always remember who you are and what you did for them. But right now we're going to be focused in this zone, and we're going to focus on attacking this 3553. If we can break past this 1962. So smash the like button, subscribe, get ready for the tweet that I make after dropping the video. You guys help me get that out there. Share it on all social media platforms, not just on your Twitter, but Facebook, TikTok if you have them, because the algorithms pick that up and they'll push it out to more potential new investors. And until next time, you guys know what it is. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Later.